The last tool I've got is another sharp ball tool, but this is a 12-inch extra fine diamond rod, and it comes with kind of this guard here, but it's got, I believe this is a 20-degree bevel here. It'd be nice, I feel like, if it came with markings like 20, 18, 16, 24, 22, something like that, but it doesn't, and it'll be okay. But again, you can, this is a 1200, sorry if I said 12,000, 1200, so it's a more fine stone. Or a more fine rod. This is not what you would find in a traditional knife set, though. This is not a sharpening steel. This has diamonds on it. This is not just a piece of steel. So I want to draw that distinction. Okay. And you can get really nice long strokes. It won't take long to sharpen a knife, the recurve of a knife at all on a sharpening rod like this. And just remember to turn the rod as you're doing it, not as you're doing every stroke or during the stroke, but as you do one or two strokes, make sure you're turning the rod so you don't wear out just one side of the rod.